Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate the grace that I've been given by all of you. I had a rough week last week, and it carried in over the weekend. Today's Tuesday, so today, I feel a lot better, and so I have a video for you that I'm just opening the box right now. Oops, which you saw from the thumbnail. Is this big huge box here, and this is from IPSY, and this is the November PR box. So in here should be Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, and the Icon Box. So let's see. I believe so. So we have the IPSY Glam Bag in this box. We have BoxyCharm right here, and we have the Icon Box. This is the one that I think I'm most excited to see, if I can get it out of the box. And then here we have the Icon Box right here. I don't know if there's a paper down here. Yes, just going to put this on the floor. I see a card underneath. Let's see. So here we have for November 2024, Glow Off. This winter is going to be the theme of all three. And this is just the PR card, so, they're blank, but it gives you the theme. So what I'm going to do to make it a little bit interesting for you guys is, today I'm only going to share the Icon Box. And then tomorrow, you'll have to tune in tomorrow to get the BoxyCharm and the IPSY Glam Bag. So these are spoilers, so if you don't like spoilers, I don't like spoilers, but if you, I have to, I get this, I want it, and I love when they can get it to us before choice. Nobody's chosen for anything for Icon Box. We haven't done choice for our BoxyCharm. Now, we did pick for the Glam Bag. I don't consider that as like a high priority to see stuff ahead of time. But these boxes, yes. So you'll be able to see everything prior to your choice for BoxyCharm or Icon Box if you get it. But I will, I'm going to film them all today, and then I will bring back the BoxyCharm by IPSY and the Glam Bag. So for those that did not know, the Icon Box influencer is, somebody who's pretty popular, Lisa Vanderpump. Not necessarily a fan, but I'm not. It's like yes or no. I could take her or leave her, I guess, basically. I mean, I used to watch her shows, and that was like when they first came out. Not something that I, watch any longer. And at all. I don't watch TV, but I wouldn't watch her shows even if I did. So you get like a pamphlet, and it, just goes in and gives you everything. Some of her favorites. I said in a post, some of these things I would be surprised. And I know, like, just because she has money and she's a celebrity and all that stuff, doesn't mean that she doesn't use LMS or doesn't use, whatever. I would tend to think, just from seeing other, like, people of her stature in the industry, that they tend to use higher end products. So, do I buy that these are, these could very well be her favorites, but I don't know how it works. Do they have a wide range of products to pick from to curate a box? Do they really use them? If she had her own line, like, Fenty, or Give Them La, things like that. They had their own beauty line. So do they use their own products? Well, I'm sure they do. J-Lo, they do use their own products, but they use other products. J-Lo has skincare. I don't think she has makeup. Fenty has both, and I'm sure she uses a lot of her own products. And I'm sure she uses some that aren't not her brand. But I would tend to think if I had a beauty line or a skincare line, I would be using my own products and very little outside. So that's just my opinion. But so far, I'm liking what I see here. So here's a little sneak peek into the Icon Box that I was sent in PR for the month of November. So let's just start right off. From Tarte, the Tartelette Juicy palette right here. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I love Tarte. Tarte currently has, I think, a mystery mystery bag, mystery box. I think it's like $48 if you are interested. Is this sealed? No. So here's the packaging. It's like a very shimmery. I don't know if that's a, I don't think that's covered. Yeah. Ooh. Beautiful. Like, I love the way it's, you know, tartlet there. I'm going to have to see if I can cover the mirror because it's going to blind you guys. So I will put this part up there just to block a little bit. Beautiful palette. I like it. I love Tarte. Love Tarte. So that's really pretty. Neutral. Pretty much neutral. You know, little bits of like, you know, a berry and some pinks, and but pretty much a neutral palette. And like I said, I love when they have their brand on their little, you know, Tartelette Juicy. So that I'm not disappointed in. So if you're looking for a nice eyeshadow palette, that would be a nice one to have if you could choose it. The next item that I see is from Kors. Okay. Santorini Grape. This is, what are you? Detox and Clarify Skin Reset Mask. Right here. I don't think I have this one. Do I have this one? I don't think so. Right here. You know, these will all be full size. So that's another good product. I'm not knocking it. This one is awesome. From Glow Recipe, Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. I don't know. I do have a few toners from them. I just don't know if I have this one. And I don't know if I need to have another toner. For me personally. So, oh, look how cute that is. Whoa. The top came off. So it is a pump. So that is beautiful. Like these, and they're like little grippers on the side so you can grip it. That is beautiful. I know I don't have that one. Do I really need to keep another toner? I don't know. So maybe I'll share that one. Now here's something that I absolutely love, have had in the past, and hard to find this particular like pump. So this is from Amika, and this is a leave-in conditioner. Intense moisture leave-in conditioner. And I love, you know, wet hair. I just spray it. This is great for, you know, just, and I condition my hair in the shower, but as soon as I get out, I love a leave-in conditioner. Heat protected, things like that in my hair way before I even put 1 ounce of heat on it. So that's not bad so far. 4 awesome products. Then here from Elemis, we have Skin Buff Deep Cleansing Exfoliant. Another, you know, great brand. I mean, these are all great brands. Right here. Not sure if I have Skin Buff, but awesome. I'm not upset so far with anything. From Polite Society, we have it's Polite Pout. This is a glossy lip balm. Oops, this box is going to fall. So let's see what this is. If it has just clear or if there's a shade to it. Oh, it's in a tube. Let's see how this is. Okay, so that looks, I'm not going to, in case I don't keep it, because I might share some of these. I don't know if you guys can see the little bit of the pink color in there. So that's nice. A little light pink. I, you know, absolutely love pink anyway, but that is awesome. Then from LYS, Speak Love Lipstick. Do I have LYS lipsticks? I'm not really sure. So the shade in this is Sincere. Let me see how these open. Sometimes they're difficult to open. Oh no, got it. I love the shape of their products. It's like, you know, that's the shape of it, but beautiful. Could you use that for? No, it's shiny. You know, it's matte and then shiny. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that is stunning. I'm gonna have to try that. Ooh, that is so creamy. What a beautiful shade. You know, pinky mauve type shade, beautiful neutral. I'm excited for that. So excited for that. Let's put the lid on, right? Ooh, I love that. Love that a lot. And then the last product in the box is from Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara in black. I've been solely using the Bobbi Brown face base lately, last couple weeks. I do love that. So that's what it looks like. Mascara, black mascara. I mean, I have to admit that I think this is a phenomenal box. I mean, I was skeptical because of who it was. But, you know, Pores, Glow Recipe, LMS, Amika, which I absolutely love. Great hair care products and very affordable. Tarte, Bobbi Brown Mascara, LYS Lipstick, Polite Society Lip Gloss, like glossy lip balm. Is that everything? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. And I'm telling you, this is a stunner. A stunner. I love that. I'm so excited. I didn't think they were that good. I don't think I've tried their lipsticks. So now I might have to look into that. I know them. I think Mega Drop is, I don't know if Mega Drop's over or if it's still going on. I might have to look and see what other shades they have. And this one is Sincere. Right? Is that what that was? Sincere. Beautiful. That's perfect for fall, winter. That's my type of shade anyway. I mean, I will wear a bright pink. Doesn't matter to me. I have Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on, and I think probably pretty similar. Let me, there's nothing with the mirror. Let me see how similar they are. I'll just hold my hand up and see. Yeah, I would say they're pretty similar. The Pillow Talk and then this are pretty similar in shade. So if you, like, I love the Pillow Talk, but I don't love the price of it. Yeah, it's a little bit pricey from Charlotte Tilbury. So, you know, if these are more affordable, I would rather something more affordable than, I mean, I don't mind the high-end lipsticks, and I would love to have, you know, some of the Dior lipsticks and, you know, all these, like, high-end brand lipsticks. That's out of my budget. You know, for a lipstick, I'm not paying $45. Now, I have a Tom Ford that I just got to review for Influencer, and I'm like, oh, that's a beautiful shade. Am I going to, would I rebuy? Not at their pricing. It's just, you know, I'm about a $20 limit-ish. You know, if it's a little before over, that's fine. But I'm just not paying $40 and $50 for a lipstick. I mean, they only last for so long. One, they're either going to expire, you got to, you know, put them in the bin, or you're going to use it and then it's gone. And to repurchase for $45, that's a little bit pricey. So that's why I love boxes like these. You can get some really great stuff. And this box is a little bit more in the higher end out of the three. And this is just a quarterly box. So this is not something that you would have to get every month. It's every third month. So, you know, the next one, so we got November, will be February. So, you know, if you got it, you know, you budget for it if this is something you would like. I know you could always pause if you catch who the influencer is. Now, I really thought that this would be just like a mediocre box because who the influencer was turned out to be a fantastic box. So, can't judge a book by its cover, and that's true. So, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned tomorrow. We'll do BoxyCharm and IPSY Glam Bag and see what they're all about. Thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.